back up, 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 back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'm in the seven, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup.
What's up, guys? I am here in my shop testing out this new GoPro camera that I got. It's actually a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Pretty legit, records 4K, 1080, 30 frames per second. The only thing that I saw that I really probably won't use, so it really doesn't matter, is the 60 FPS. I believe the Hero 7 Black is 60 frames per second 4K, so if you wanted to do some cool cinematography type slow motion stuff, you can actually do that, but we are not doing any cinematography slow motion stuff, so it really doesn't matter. So I think this 4K camera here is actually gonna be pretty good for the shop and for recording. So I'm just doing a little regular test here to see how well the microphone is. I think it'll be a nice little addition to our collection. So I really hope you guys are doing great. We've been staying very busy here. Thank you all for sending us your devices and trusting us with your phones to do your screen repairs and any other repairs that you're sending them in for. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Tomorrow's a big day. It is my birthday. I'm pretty excited about that. I'll be working tomorrow though. I mean, I work every day. I will be actually celebrating Saturday. We're gonna go check out a soccer game in El Paso with some friends and family, so I'm really looking forward to that. I do have some really cool stuff in the works, guys. We're gonna be replacing some iPhone XR TP digitizers. TP short for touch panels. So we are gonna be replacing those, which we have here. We have one for XR, and we also have one for the X. So these are good for any kind of screens that lose touch when they get damaged. We have gotten a couple customers' phones in that have lost touch due to the impact being too severe. So what we'll do is we'll remove the touch panel layer that's over the AMOLED display and set it back down on top and reapply it all. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys that. We'll go ahead and do a video on that. We also do have a video coming up on the Samsung S7 Edge. Oldie but goodie. Oldie but goodie. See that? Still a really great phone. I believe there's still a lot of people repairing these, and I just want to go over the repair process and how we handle these. I remember these are like one of the first devices that we started repairing many years back. Those along with the Samsung S6 Edges. Man, look at these bad boys. Aren't they crazy? Insane. But yeah, I remember these, man. These are crazy. They got like, the digitizer runs all the way through to where the bottom gestures are, the back, the sub keys down here, they are actually running. It's crazy. I don't know. Do you guys want to see a video on this one here? I don't know. Maybe we'll do a video on this. I don't know. But yeah, let me know, guys, if you guys want to see S6 Edge repair. We still got quite a few of them, so I wouldn't mind doing a video on this as well while I'm at it, going through the catalog and history of all the old school devices. So just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll be more than happy to make a video for you guys, just so you can kind of see the process and of course see that we can handle pretty much anything that comes our way. So I really hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and if you guys need anything, feel free to let us know. We are here. Email, call us. Make sure you guys do subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it. We're almost at 2,500. That's insane. We're slowly creeping up. Next milestone that we're looking forward to hitting is going to be 5K. I think we'll hit 5K here probably within the next few months at this run rate. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have subscribed to our channel. Please share with your friends, share with everybody you know, and let them know about our services, guys. We're here to help you all save money and get your devices back up and running. So if you do want to keep it, you can keep it, or if you want to do a trade-in, you can always trade it in, and of course you're gonna get like 3 times more than what they're gonna give you if it was broken. So cheers guys, signing out. Be on the lookout, we're gonna drop another video here soon. I'll probably just upload this one up here on YouTube real quick, unedited, just to say hello to everybody, and we'll see you guys soon. Cheers.